Did you know that a whopping 79% of millionaires built their wealth through real estate? That's right. Real estate has long been a proven path to financial success. It's a tangible asset that can appreciate in value over time. Plus, it offers various avenues for generating income. For generations, folks have been buying and selling properties. They've created lasting wealth through real estate. It's a strategy that can work for anyone, from seasoned investors to first-time buyers. Now, let's talk about passive income. What is it, and why is it so important? Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it. Think of it as money working for you, not the other way around. This could be rental income, dividends from stocks, or royalties from a book you wrote. Financial freedom is about having choices. It's about not being tied to a 9-to-5 job you might not even like. Passive income is the key to unlocking that freedom. It provides security and opens up a world of possibilities. Real estate is a fantastic way to build passive income streams. You can generate consistent cash flow through rental properties. REITs offer a hands-off way to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties. And then there's flipping houses. This strategy allows you to leverage your skills and knowledge to buy, renovate, and sell for a profit. Each of these methods presents unique opportunities and challenges, but they all share the potential for significant returns. With the right strategy and a bit of elbow grease, you can create a steady stream of passive income through real estate. Section 4. Overcoming the challenges of real estate investment. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Real estate sounds great, but isn't it risky and expensive? And you're right, there are challenges. A lack of knowledge about the market can be a big hurdle. High upfront costs can be intimidating, and market fluctuations can be unpredictable. But don't let these challenges scare you. Education is key. Take the time to learn about the market, research different strategies, and understand the financials. Consider starting small and gradually scaling up as you gain experience and confidence. Section 5. Strategies for success in real estate. Let me share a success story that illustrates how to overcome these challenges. Meet Sarah, a young professional who wanted to escape the 9-to-5 grind. She started by saving diligently for a down payment. Then, she educated herself about the local real estate market. She found a fixer-upper in a promising neighborhood, rolled up her sleeves, and renovated it. She turned it into a rental property, and voila, passive income. Sarah's story highlights the importance of planning, perseverance, and a willingness to learn. Remember, success in real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Start by identifying your goals, understanding your risk tolerance, and developing a plan that aligns with your financial situation.